Okay guys, in this video we're gonna learn how we can add, delete or modify a column into our existing table because sometimes we need it. Let's see it. MySQL -h localhost -u root and -b. Use my database example, and now let's see what we have inside our column. Select all the things from my customer. We have 4 columns: extra column, country, customer name and customer ID. I want to add one more column. How can I make it? Just and easy. You can write alt after the table, your table name, customer. Okay? After that you can write add and column name, for example extra 2, just like this. Okay, or we can write it extra 2 like this way. After that you can write your data type. For example, I want to choose integer, the data type of this query. Okay, let's see our table. Select all the things from my customer table. Now we have extra 2 column. With alter table I can add one more table. Okay, now I want to delete one of these columns. Okay, you can write that alter table, your table name, customer, and you can write drop column and your column name. For example, I want to delete the extra column. Let's see, it's okay. Now let's see our table. Select all the things from my customer table. Now we have 4 columns, but before we have 5 columns, and I deleted the extra column. Just and easy. Now I want to change the data type of this column name. How can I change this? Just and easy. You can change the data type of this column like this. You can write alter table, your table name, customer. After that you can write alter column and your table name extra 2, and the before data type was integer, and now I want to change that into varchar. Okay, it should get 10 length. Now let's see, it doesn't work. Sometimes in some database, instead of alter you can write modify. Now it's okay. Okay, you can change your column data type like this. You can write alter table keyword, your table name, modify column keyword, your column name, and your new data type that you want to change it. But sometimes in some database modify doesn't work. You have to use alter column instead. Just and easy.